What would happen to your foot if it ended up under the massive foot of an adult elephant? Actually, most people think that an elephant's foot is as tough as a hoof and could easily crush a human body, but that's not entirely accurate. Unlike hoofed animals, an elephant's foot is actually pretty soft because of the thick, soft pads of fatty tissue under each foot. And these pads work like shock absorbers, helping to spread out their massive weight. But that doesn't mean an elephant stepping on you wouldn't hurt at all. It might not crush you like a pumpkin, but with their sheer weight alone, you definitely end up with several broken bones.